Okay, my name is Thomas Gries. I'm a professor at the Global of Paderborn in Germany. To several reasons, we first look at the reasons, and then there may be also strategies for solving them. However, before we don't know really the reasons, we make good solutions. Education is very, very important. It's important to look at violence is spread verbally. For example, I think it is to stop the recruitment of fighters or the recruitment of radical via at the recruitment instead of only looking. There may be some needs before there are other things we can. And major thing is looking at the. In my view, military actions may be necessary at some stage, and maybe, but in the first place there should be something like a talk, and there should be something like the recruitment and then the reasons why we have these kind of radicalization.